I hope my opponent is nice. Nice to me. Good luck. Thank you. Yeah, if it's not kind, I'm gonna, I don't know. Baka atog galap ka. Atog galap. Nakatulog? Hi, Akuya. Guys, you are all invited to my UPK. Your moral support is enough. Hi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope to see you there. Libre mo kami ah. Grabe, wala pa nga. Libre ko agad kayo. Baka mag-cry lang ako dyan. I'm gonna cry. Hi, Mysterious Man. Hi, Joey. Introduce yourself, Mysterious Man. Hi, Ate Oms. Ate Oms, please, punta kayo sa UPK. Hi, Miss Mar. Pamerienda. Gabi na, wala nang merienda. Hi, Chris. John. Meow. Go, bebe. Thank you, Ate Oms. Thank you. Hi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to distract myself, but I can't. Hi, Yasi. I'm sweating right now. Are you the best star agency has? I don't know. I don't know, Bebe. But I think I'm not. There's a lot of, there's a lot of hosts that has more powerful than me. Thank you, Iya. I don't know, Bebe. To put you up against an 11. Yeah! 11 million? I can't imagine myself having that kind of opponent. Don't look down yourself, God. Thank you! I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Pero kasi naman, this is not a joke. Hi, Rika. Your Bebe got you, Kat. Yeah, he got me always. Pinay perfection. Who are you, Jeffrey? Pinay perfection? We're here to support you. Thank you, Kael. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sana mag-stay kayo. I hope you guys will stay at my live. Because I only have 1 hour. Nag-aaral ka pa? Yeah, of course.